Hindutva is not the protector of Hinduism. Hindutva is the perverter of Hinduism.
भागता हुआ अच्छा लगता है, जागता हुआ अच्छा नहीं लगता है. The running looks very good, but awakening doesn't seems good. Any non-Christian wants to go Vatican for religious purpose. Any Muslim wants to go Hajj for religious purpose. No. And if he asks, the first condition is get it converted.
Who do his will,
Time's up.
not on those who simply mutter Ram, 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 Ram. It is such Santanis muttering Ram, Ram.
Other says, केवल एक तकरीर है, सुनो नहीं तो सब तन से जुदा. If you are ready to succumb to that, then you say, oh, it's secularism. And if you are ready to cherish that, the debating tradition from Vedas coming to lay, oh, then you are Hindutva.
So Hinduism is a great spiritual religion. Hindutva is a political tract. Hindutva came only in 1923. For thousands of years before Hindutva, Hinduism faced trial and tribulation and yet survived, indeed flourished, with no need of Hindutva protection. For example, the first census in 1872 found, after what Hindutvists call a millennium of slavery, that less than a quarter of India's population had embraced Islam. Hinduism is resilient, self-sufficient, in no need of protection. It is entirely capable of protecting itself. Hindutva is not the protector of Hinduism. Hindutva is the perverter of Hinduism. It Semiticizes the Sanatan Dharma based on an imported idea of territorial nationalism as established by Savarkar's biography of Joseph Mazzini and embellished in practice by Dr. Munje and Guruji Golwalkar through their admiration respectively of Mussolini's fascism and the racist theories of Hitler's Nazism. You've seen that Hindutva vigilantes beat up and even kill anyone suspected of hoarding, eating, or transporting beef, cow's meat. While Gandhiji wrote, it is a denial of Hinduism and of ahimsa to kill a human being to protect a cow. How then can Hinduism rely on thugs and murderers calling themselves Hindutvavadis to protect itself? Hindutva is Hinduism in paranoia. It asks 80% Hindus to quiver in front of 14% Muslims. What is Hindutva? Hindutva is a BJP leader slapping a blind, hungry tribal girl because she attends a Christmas lunch in a church. Hindutva raids shopping malls to tear down Christmas decorations. Hindutva regards as true Bharatis only those whose Pitrubhu and Punyabhu lies between the Sindhu and the ocean, thus excluding Muslims and Christians who look towards Makkah and Jerusalem or Rome to pray. What did Gandhi say? On the other hand, Gandhi said, quote, I do not believe in the exclusive divinity of the Vedas. I believe in the Bible, the Quran, the Zindavesta, to be as much divinely inspired as the Vedas. And what of Swami Vivekananda, who I think in Calcutta is called Swami Vivekananda? He wrote in his famed essay, I Believe, he said, I accept all religions and worship with them all. I worship God with every one of them in whatever form they worship Him. I shall go to the mosque of the Mohammedan. I shall enter the Christian's church and kneel before his crucifix. I shall enter the Buddhist temple where I shall take refuge in his law. I shall go into the forest and sit down in meditation with the Hindu. And what did Savarkar write? He said, even after the horrible experience of 1,000 years or so, the Hindus went on tolerating even such a hideous religion as Islam. This is Hindutva. Writing in Young India 100 years ago, in April 1926, Gandhiji affirmed with amazing prescience, many styling themselves Sanatanis stalk the earth. He went on to say, God's grace will descend on those who do His will,
Time's up.
not on those who simply mutter Ram, 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 Ram. It is such Santanis muttering Ram, Ram that we will be hearing from this evening of how they have saved Hinduism by smashing mosques to smithereens and building glitzy temples.
And in front. Today we are debating. Which culture gives you the authority to debate even on religious texts? It is only Hindu. Shastrarth in Vedas. And not only this, the most famous Shastrarth is between Adi Shankar and who was the Chief Justice in that? Mandan Mishra, Adi Shankaracharya, the wife of Mandan Mishra. A lady is being a Chief Justice of a discussion on religious texts. And on the other hand, you will find those who say there can only, on the religious aspect, there can only be sermon or precept. Only listen, otherwise your soul will go to hell. Other says, केवल एक तकरीर है, सुनो नहीं तो सब तन से जुदा. If you are ready to succumb to that, then you say, oh, it's secularism. And if you are ready to cherish that, the debating tradition from Vedas coming to lay, oh, then you are Hindutva. Then I would like to ask, why the term Hinduism? Why the ism is associated with all the religions which originated from India? Hinduism, Buddhism, Sikhism and Jainism. Never you have heard Islamism and Christianism? And more only in Hinduism, as our previous speaker was saying, you have used the word Brahmanism. The fact of the matter is that whenever the solar or lunar eclipse comes, recently you have seen, it has come just 12 hours before, mandir band ho gaye the. Sutak lag gaya tha. It doesn't need to stand and see when it has come. And it is been there in their Panchang. And which is exactly saying what the NASA's planetarium software is saying. If that is saying, that is ism. On the other hand, the moon has risen and the satellite is showing. But Maulvi Sahib is saying, when I will say, then you will be accepting that the moon has risen, and it is not Maulvism. That's why basic problem is, ism word is being associated just to demean, and what Hindutva is, Hindu Tattva. This is nothing but the basic immunity of the Hinduism is Hindu Tattva. Like in COVID time, if you are not having immunity, you are destined to be very much there on the perils. But on the other hand, I would like to say it is very much here on the eve of Swami Vivekananda's birthday. And Jawaharlal Nehru, in Glimpses of the World History, written in 1935, he says he is having no problem with Hindu nationalism. And he said Vivekananda nationalism is a Hindu nationalism. And on page number 720, he says there is a very difficult to distinct between Hindu nationalism and Indian nationalism, because they are so much overlapping. But unfortunately, they are not ready to accept. Another thing I would like to say, when you cherish Hinduism, it is called Hindutva. I would like to remind, you know where the Bengal is having the signature? The biggest scientific discovery of 21st century, which happened in 2012. In the Sun laboratory, Higgs boson was discovered, which is in common word is called God particle, the basic particle of the universe. And it is named after two scientists, Peter Higgs of England and Satyendra Nath Bose of India, who was son of Bengal. It is boson. Have you find anybody's secularism Surma cherishing this? No. And on the laboratory of the sun, you will find the dancing statue of Nataraj there. And a quote written by Fitzek Capra, who was an Austrian scientist, that now science has come to the conclusion that the perpetual creation and destruction of universe is like the cosmic dance of Shiva. When you cherish this, this is Hindutva. And when you say, no, it's not possible. Again, I would like to say what the contribution of Bengal is. Werner Heisenberg, who has given the uncertainty principle in his 1958 book, Physics and Philosophy, he has mentioned that his uncertainty principle, he got a clear idea after discussion with Guru Rabindranath Tagore on Vedantic philosophy. In Fitzek Capra's book of Uncommon Wisdom on page number 41-42, he mentions that Heisenberg told him that when he came to India in 1929 or so, he has elongated discussion with Tagore. And then he got the entire concept of interconnectedness, uncertainty, and impertinence, which was looking crazy. He got the view, and finally he was able to understand those things. When you cherish this, and today itself, everybody uses AI. Sam Altman has been asked the question, who is the owner of the ChatGPT, that AI is having the answers of so many questions. Is there any question which AI is not having? But you are having. You know what was the answer of Sam Altman? The absolute equivalence of Atman and Brahman. This AI is not knowing, but Sam Altman is knowing. And if somebody still is having such a colonial hangover of Macaulay and Marx, they will jump in. Oh, when it has said, he has said on 27th of December 2022 at 2:34 a.m., the tweet of Sam Altman is there, absolute equivalence of Atman and Brahma. Jo Shankaracharya ne kaha, Jivo Brahma na para. And now coming here. अब हिंदुत्व और हिंदुइज्म में क्या होता है? जब आप वंदे मातरम में तुम्हें दुर्गा दश प्रहर धारणी काट देते हैं तो हिंदुइज्म है, जब साथ लेते हैं तो हिंदुत्व है. एंड व्हेन यू टेक इट द सेम दुर्गा जी विच यू वर्शिप हियर, यू गेट कनेक्टेड विद वैष्णो देवी इन द नॉर्थ, मुंबा देवी इन द वेस्ट, कन्याकुमारी इन द ईस्ट, एंड नॉट ओनली दिस, ढाकेश्वरी ऑफ ढाका एंड हिंगलाज माता ऑफ बलूचिस्तान. That gives you inseparable consciousness of this country together. और ऐसे अभी जैसा दीपक जी ने कहा था, तो ईस्ट में शक्ति का पर्व बहुत मनाया जाता है, दुर्गा जी का. तो त्रिपुर सुंदरी मां का आशीर्वाद मिल चुका है, मां कामाख्या का आशीर्वाद मिल चुका है, और काली मां का आशीर्वाद कलकत्ते में मिलना शुरू हो गया है. डेफिनेटली व्हेन इट विल बी कंप्लीट, द ट्रू पावर ऑफ हिंदुत्व विल बी अप. Not to dominate the world, but to motivate the world. And also I would like to say, क्या लोग आजकल मां दुर्गा के बारे में बात करने लगते हैं? It is a very scientific concept of our consciousness. नव दुर्गा क्या है? प्रथमम शैलपुत्री, द्वितीयम ब्रह्मचारिणी, तृतीयम चंद्रघट्टेति. तो क्या होता है? फर्स्ट शैलपुत्री, इट्स अ बेबी एनर्जी. द्वितीयम ब्रह्मचारिणी, प्योर एंड चेस्ट. देन तृतीयम चंद्रघट्टेति, 4 dimensions. Then it comes gradually, Chaturtham Kushmanda, progeny, and then ultimately leads to Navamam, Ashtamam Mahagauri, or Dashmam Siddhidatri. Means this is a gradual evolution of energy from inside to entire universe. When you cherish this, then you say, oh, you are Hindutvadi. And when you say, no, so many other comments which I do not want to make it here, then you are say, oh, you are a very secularist and rational person. And one thing I would also like to add, what Hindutva is, you have just seen Kumbh Mela. 66 crore people came. 50 lakh foreigners came who were not from Hindu Dharma. They came here with full devotion, taken a dip. Can you say, tell me anybody else in any religious, any non-Christian wants to go Vatican for religious purpose? Any Muslim wants to go Hajj for religious purpose? No. And if he asks, the first condition is get it converted. And that's why Rabindranath Tagore ji has mentioned that the problem with the other two religions, Christianity and Islam, is that they are not just satisfied to worship in their own. They want to convert other and destroy other. And this he has mentioned in Vishwa Bharati, 1982, Tagore's original work, volume 24, page number 375. Another thing which he wants to say, Dr. Ambedkar has said There were so many hue and cries being made कि भाई Dr. Ambedkar Buddhist बन गए थे. But why he didn't convert to Christianity and Islam? Because he said, if I will convert to Christianity and Islam, the depressed classes may also follow and they may get denationalized. It is Ambedkar's writing and speeches published by government, volume 17, part 1, page number 241. And last I would like to say, what is Hinduism? जब हिंदू भागता रहता है तो हिंदुइज्म है. ढाका से भागा, चिटगांव से भागा, सिलहट से भागा, काबुल से भागा, लाहौर से भागा, कराची से भागा, आजाद हिंदुस्तान में कश्मीर से भागा, मालदा से भागा, 24 परगना से भागा, मुर्शिदाबाद से भागा, और जो जिस शहर में रहता उस शहर के पुराने इलाके से भागा. भागता हुआ अच्छा लगता है, जागता हुआ अच्छा नहीं लगता है. द रनिंग looks very good, but awakening doesn't seems good. So I would like to say, I am since standing here, I would like to say that Hinduism is now changing. If you look at the 25 years of 3 stages of India, first 25 years, 47 to 72, कुछ नहीं था. 73 to 98, 50 years complete होते होते सेंटर में कुछ चेंज हुआ. 98 to 2022, another quantum jump for Hindutva. Now this Amrit Kal will take where Sri Aurobindo has said, or Swami Vivekananda has said, Sri Aurobindo has said that 175 years of India's transition is started by the birth of Sri Ramakrishna Paramhans, which is started in 1836. 175 years completed in 2011. कुछ तो हुआ 2012 के बाद हिंदुस्तान में, तो वो दिखाई पड़ रहा है. We all set to rise. And last I would like to say, masculinity and others, ये कहा गया, तो जस्ट मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि क्या हिंदू है, इस बारे में अटल जी की बड़ी फेमस कविता है, हिंदू तनमन हिंदू जीवन रग रग हिंदू मेरा परिचय. बस वो कह के बात समाप्त करता हूं. अब हिंदुइज्म को यह भी देखना पड़ेगा कि मैं शंकर का व क्रोधानल कर सकता जगती छार छार, मैं डमरू की प्रलयंकर ध्वनि नचता जिसमें भीषण संहार, रणचंडी की अतृप्त प्यास, मैं दुर्गा का उन्मत्त हास, मैं यम की प्रलयंकर पुकार, जलते मरघट का धुआंधार. फिर अंतरतम की ज्वाला से, फिर अंतरतम की ज्वाला से जगती में आग लगा दूं मैं, यदि धधक उठे विप्लव लेकर जल थल अंबर जड़ चेतन, तो कैसा विस्मय, हिंदू तनमन हिंदू जीवन रग रग हिंदू मेरा परिचय. मगर इससे किसी को डरने की बात नहीं है. उसी कविता कैन पे वो कहते हैं, होकर स्वतंत्र मैंने कब चाहा, मैं कर लूं जग को गुलाम, मैंने तो सदा सिखाया है करना अपने मन को गुलाम. गोपाल राम के नामों पर कब मैंने अत्याचार किया, कब दुनिया को हिंदू करने घर घर में नरसंहार किया, कोई बतलाए. काबुल में जाकर कितनी मस्जिद तोड़ी, भूभाग नहीं शत शत मानव के हृदय जीतने का निश्चय, हिंदू तनमन हिंदू जीवन रग रग हिंदू मेरा परिचय.